The TaprooT Immersion track is exactly what it sounds like. You're going to immerse yourself in the TaprooT process. So it all starts with session 1, where we're going to perform an incident for you. Now throughout the summit, each session, you're going to take that incident through the TaprooT investigation process. So you'll be gathering information. You're going to be practicing your interviewing skills, and you're going to use that evidence to build a snap chart. Now, you'll analyze that snap chart for your causal factors, and then you'll take those causal factors through the root cause tree and dictionary. You'll even look for generic causes. Then you'll build your corrective actions, and you'll report your findings. Now, this is an excellent opportunity to hone your TaprooT skills with your TaprooT friends and family, and it's also a great opportunity to learn what's new in the software and practice those skills as well. Now, the whole goal of this is to make this experience as fun and as informative as possible, so you have a great TaprooT Summit experience. We can't wait to get started. We will see you there.